Today I'm making halibut with rice and broccoli. Swing, make sure your knife's sharp. Get a cup of rice, basmati, white rice, long grain, long dong. Lemon. Garlic nuts. Cilantro. Roll out the lemon, give that a little slice. Roughly chopped cilantro. Peel the garlic. Smother it till it stops breathing. Okay, take the rice, give it a bath. Drain out the water. Put 2 cups of water. First knuckle, so you can tell if there's enough water. Put some salt up in that bitch. Lemon juice. Fresh garlic paste. Drop in that cilantro. Let it boil and bring it down to a simmer. Thyme, rosemary, chop that little baby up. Another lemon. Take out the seeds. Now I'm going to put the lemon juice on first so the seasoning sticks to the halibut. Coat it with some salt. And pepper. One at a time. little bit of rosemary. Give her a flip and do it again. It's season. Look at that broccoli. Boiled some water and put a ton of salt in it to brine the broccoli. About 4 or 5 minutes in the water, then strain out the broccoli. Mix in some salt and pepper. Gonna saute these bitches up. Let the pan get hot and throw in that halibut. Give her a flip. Look how steamy that is. Kind of like when your grandma walks by in that nightgown she likes wearing. Real steamy like. What the fuck? Give some to the baby. You want a piece of broccoli, Teddy? Oh, that's good, huh? Hey. That good?